Today we're going to be talking about how to add and subtract fractions with like denominators. Like. What does that mean, like denominators? Well, remember, denominators mean D for down. So let's look at the denominator. Do you see how these denominators are similar or like each other? Like each other, like each other, like each other, like each other, and like each other. So today we're going to learn how to add these fractions and subtract fractions that are like each other. So let's do the drawing method first. So you have 1/4 and you add another fourth to it. So how many are shaded? 2/4. So 2/4 of it is shaded. Hey, can you simplify this? Yes, you can. Divide by 2, divide by 2, because both numbers are even. What's the greatest factor that go into 2 and 4? 2, and you get 1/2. So 1/4 plus 1/4 adds up to 2/4, which is equivalent to 1/2. Do you see how it's half of the pie? Do not add up the denominators together, because some kids say, oh, the answer is 2/8. We'll simplify to 1/4. How is that possible? How is 1/4 plus 1/4 going to equal 1/4 again? That does not make sense. So again, let's see. I think the rule is you add up the numerator, yes, keep the denominator the same. I think that works. So let's look at this for one. You have 7/8. Let me cut this circle into 8 parts. So I have 7/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You take 3 of the 8 off. How many do you have left? 4/8. Can you simplify that fraction? Let's see. What is the greatest factor that goes to 4 and 8? 4. 1/2. So 7/8 take away 3/8 is equivalent to 4/8, which is equivalent to 1/2. Do you see how I subtracted the numerator? I kept the denominator the same. Do you want to keep drawing pictures, or do you want to try to do these in our head? Let's try to do these in our head. What's the 11/12? Take away 7/12. Let's see. Keep the denominator same, 12. 11 minus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4/12. Can you simplify this? You bet you can. What is the greatest factor that goes into 4 and 12? 4. That's the greatest number that goes into it. That's 1/3. Next example. 5, 6 plus 2, 6. It adds up to 7. Keep the denominator same, 6. 7, 6. Hey, is this improper? We've learned this. If you forgot how to do improper fractions, go back to the previous YouTube video and see how to do it. Can 6 go into 7 one time? What is your remainder? What do you have left over? 1/6. To check your work, you can do the popcorn method. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 more is 7/6. So 7/6 is equivalent to 1 and 1/6. If you cannot do this in the head, you can do Taibo. But again, our goal is to try to do this in our head. How many 6s go in 7? One time. And what do you have left over? 1/6. Next one. 7, 9 plus 5, 9 adds up to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 9s. Keep the denominator same. Hey, it's improper. But let's simplify it first. I think when you simplify it before you turn it, it's easier. What is the greatest factor that goes in 12 and 9? Divide both numbers by 3. You get 4/3. Now it's improper. How do you turn this to a mixed number? How many 3s go in 4? One time. What do you left over? 1/3. So 7, 9 plus 5, 9 is equal to 12, 9, which is equal to 4/3, which is equal to 1 and 1/3. And our last example is order operation. Remember, in order operation, you do the parentheses first. No. Exponent, none. Multiplication, division from left to right, none. Adding, subtracting from left to right. So what's 4/5 take away 2/5? 2/5. Plus 4 more is 6/5. Can you simplify this? I don't think I can divide this by anything. So it's improper. How many 5s go in 6? 1 time. What do you have left over? 1/5. So 6/5 is equivalent to 1 and 1/5. So 4/5 minus 2/5 plus 4/5 is 6/5 or 1 and 1/5. So today we talked about how to add and subtract fractions with like denominators. So the rule is you keep the denominators the same and you add or subtract the numerator. If it is improper, please turn it to a mixed number. And if you can simplify it, please simplify it. Adding, subtracting fractions with like denominators.